Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you the main difference between a workstation and a gaming PC, so without further ado, let's get started with the video. Specific user needs are taken into consideration when designing workstation and gaming PCs. Professionals needing high performance and dependability for applications like video editing, 3D modeling, computer-aided design, simulations, and scientific research use workstation PCs. On the other hand, gaming PCs are designed primarily with gaming in mind. They provide fluid gameplay, gorgeous visuals, and great frame rates. In addition to gaming PCs are often used for other forms of leisure, including viewing movies and streaming internet material, as well as live streaming games. In short, gaming PCs are used for entertainment and gaming, whereas workstation PCs are used for professional work. But classifying a computer as a gaming PC or a workstation PC, based just on the user's behavior, isn't a useful approach to distinguish between the two. It is true that a workstation PC may be utilized for work purposes and that a gaming PC can be used for professional work. You should be able to tell if a PC was designed to be a workstation or a gaming PC just by looking at the components. Prosumer and enterprise-grade hardware are often combined in workstation PCs to provide the best possible performance, stability, and accuracy for demanding workloads and applications. However, the design of gaming PC hardware prioritizes entertainment and gaming. It mostly makes use of prosumer and consumer gear designed to improve game performance and provide amazing real-time visuals. Dedicated GPUs like AMD Radeon Pro or NVIDIA Quadro are often used in workstations. More accuracy, stability, and rendering precision are prioritized above other performance in the design of these GPUs. Greater textures and complex models may be handled by its greater video random access memory, which is necessary for demanding video editing activities, 3D modeling, scientific simulations, and other computer-aided designs. Consumer-grade GPUs like AMD Radeon and NVIDIA GeForce are often used in gaming PCs. In order to provide players better frame rates and more fluid gameplay, these GPUs put an emphasis on raw performance. Though reduced accuracy and stability accompany the increased raw performance, this shouldn't have a big impact on the game experience since minor visual flaws are usually unnoticeable. Parallel computing is very helpful for workstation PC operations since it speeds up work considerably, enabling you to do more and manage your time more effectively. A CPU that has multiple cores is more appropriate for parallel computation. Because of this, some of the most well-liked workstation CPUs include those from AMD's Threadripper and Intel's Xeon CPU lines. These CPUs range in core count from 16 to 80 at the highest end. In the past, a gaming set could employ any respectable consumer-grade CPU. But as gaming PCs have developed, they can also multitask, stream, and use virtual reality. This means that stronger CPUs with a decent mix of parallel processing power and raw horsepower are now needed. Gaming setups and other general-purpose PCs often employ CPUs from AMD's Ryzen and Intel's Core series. In contrast to workstation CPUs, gaming CPUs often feature 4 to 16 cores, a much smaller core count, although they nevertheless offer superior raw performance. Workstation motherboards are very large motherboards featuring CPU sockets like the LGA 3647 socket from Intel and the TR4 socket from AMD. Additionally, they have more RAM slots, PCIe slots, and a variety of connectors than you would find on a standard gaming motherboard. Workstation motherboards prioritize professional-grade hardware compatibility, expandability, and dependability. AM4 and LGA 1200 sockets, which are compatible with mainstream CPUs from AMD and Intel, are often seen on gaming PC motherboards. Support for large RBG configurations, high-speed RAM support, and overclocking software to extract maximum performance from the installed gaming gear are what distinguish gaming motherboards from standard motherboards. The hardware utilized in workstations and gaming PCs is mostly similar. But compared to the average gaming PC, Workstation PCs often feature much more RAM and hard drive capacity. Workstation PCs may contain between 32 GB and 128 GB of RAM because of the memory-intensive programs used in real-time simulations, 3D rendering, and huge dataset analysis. To guard against data corruption, certain workstations in mission-critical activities could additionally employ ECC RAM. The sweet spot for DDR4 RAM should be 8 GB to 16 GB, as games often only need this much to perform well. Up to 64 GB of RAM may be found in certain gaming PCs, which is useful for applications like live streaming games. Depending on the nature of the task, workstation PCs often run several operating systems. Installing Windows Pro is common for its additional features and enhanced security. Those who employ proprietary tools and other specialized software may use specific Linux distributions, while creative workers often use Mac OS. Consumer-focused operating systems, such as Windows Home, which may be tuned for improved gaming performance, are often used on gaming PCs. Though compatibility may vary, Linux and Mac OS may also be used for gaming. Workstation PCs often have a utilitarian look, with functionality taking precedence over aesthetics. Their top priorities are silent operation, effective cooling, and expandability. Gaming PCs, on the other hand, often feature ostentatious designs with RGB lighting, clear side panels, striking aesthetics, and sometimes unique water cooling systems. They are designed to appeal to enthusiasts and highlight the gaming experience. It's crucial to remember that while gaming PCs may do some professional activities, they shouldn't be used in place of dedicated workstation PCs. The three things that professional work requires, accuracy, stability, and data integrity, are optimized for workstations. Trying to do complex simulations, 3D modeling, or scientific research on a gaming PC might result in poor performance, data loss, and decreased productivity. If you believe the performance of your gaming PC is sufficient for your particular area of work, you shouldn't let this prohibit you from utilizing it. There shouldn't be any need to spend a lot of money on a workstation PC if your gaming setup is capable of handling all of your demands. So guys, that's all from me today. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.